Hello, dear student. Standard 9, chapter number 1, number system. There are many types of numbers: natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers. So, in this today's class, this is your chapter number 1, number system, class 1. Class 1. There are many types of number. See the first types of numbers. First is a natural numbers. What is a natural numbers? Natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to infinite. It's called a natural numbers. Natural number is denoted by capital N. Symbol is capital N. So can I write? N is equal to bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to infinite. So the natural number is 1 to infinite, and the symbol of natural number is N. Now whole numbers. Whole number symbol is W. It is denoted by capital W, and capital W is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinite. So one sentence, can I say every natural number is a whole number? 1 to infinite in natural number and 1 to infinite in whole number. So can I write every natural number is a whole number? Yes, every natural number is a whole number. So every natural number is a whole number. Every whole number is a natural number? No, because 1 to infinite number is there but 0 is not there. So you can't say every whole number is a natural number. Third one, integer. Integer is a W. Integer is a denoted by capital Z. It means Zahlen. It's a German word. It means count numbers. So integer, it is denoted by Z. It is came from Zahlen word. It's a German word. It means count the numbers. In integers, minus infinite to plus infinite. So integer is denoted by Z. In Z, minus infinite to plus infinite, whatever the number are represented on the number line, all the numbers on the number line is called integers. Minus infinite to plus infinite. Now another statement, in natural number 1 to infinite. So 1 to infinite is in the whole number. So I can say every natural number is a whole number. So 0 to infinite in integers. So we can say every whole number is integers. Every whole number is a integers. So n is a natural number. Z is a whole number, W is a whole number, Z is a integers. Now fourth one, rational numbers. Rational number is denoted by Q. It is known as a number which is in the form of P by Q. P belongs to Z and Q belongs to N. P means P is a numerator, Q is denominator. P belongs to N. जो ये P वाला नंबर है वो Z में से कुछ भी हो सकता है, माइनस इनफाइनाइट टू प्लस इनफाइनाइट, और Q बिलोंग्स टू N, मतलब Q जो नंबर है वो आपका कोई नेचुरल नंबर होगा, जीरो कभी भी डिनोमिनेटर में नहीं होगा. तो रेशनल नंबर means rational number which is the number in the form of P by Q, it's called the rational numbers. So you can say, suppose you write 3, so you can write 3 by 1, your answer is 3. So every integer is a rational numbers. So every integer is a rational number, and rational number is denoted by Q, and it is came from the quotient word. Okay, so we seen 4 different type of numbers. Number system. In a number system, natural number, whole number, integer, and a rational number. So my dear student, here we see 4 different type of number: natural number, whole number, integer, and rational numbers. Now irrational numbers. Fifth, irrational number is denoted by capital I. Irrational number, which number is not in the form of Q by P by Q, not a form in P by Q. P by Q फॉर्म में आप उसको नहीं लिख सकते. उसका एग्जाम्पल, जिसका स्क्वायर रूट नहीं निकलता है वो इरेशनल नंबर होता है. और नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग, नॉन रिकरिंग. नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग मतलब डेसिमल के बाद नहीं रुकता है और कुछ भी, लाइक अ पाई का वैल्यू 3.14253, पाई का कुछ ऐसा वैल्यू है जो डेसिमल के बाद रिपीटेशन नहीं हो रहा है. नॉन रिकरिंग मतलब कंटिन्यूअस है, और नॉन रिकरिंग, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग, रिपीट भी कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, मींस नॉन रिकरिंग. वो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियोस में, आने वाले लेक्चर्स में देखेंगे. सो द फिफ्थ नंबर सिस्टम इज इरेशनल नंबर. देयर इज नो रिलेशन बिटवीन नेचुरल नंबर, होल नंबर, इंटीजर, rational number. Irrational number is another part. Okay, now all the numbers are together is called real number R. So now my number system, this tree is very important. With help of tree you can solve many statement. Okay, let's see. So here once again I repeat, natural number it means 1 to infinite, it is denoted by capital N. Whole number it is denoted by W is 0 1 2 3 4 up to infinite. Integer it is denoted by capital Z, minus infinite to plus infinite. Rational number which number in the form of P by Q. P is a numerator, Q is the denominator. P belongs to Z and Q belongs to N. P N के अंदर से, Z के अंदर से होगा, Q N के अंदर से कोई नंबर होगा. लाइक आप ले लीजिए, सपोज P के अंदर से कोई नंबर Z, तो मैं लेता हूँ -2, और Q के अंदर से कुछ भी नंबर, Q क्या है N में से, तो N में से कुछ भी नंबर उठा 5, तो ये आपका बन गया रेशनल नंबर्स. ओके, सो every natural number is a whole number, every whole number is an integer, every integer is a rational number, every rational number is a real number, every irrational number is a रियल नंबर्स। फिर ऐसा कुछ अगर आपको एरो नहीं मिल रहा है तो वो आपका गलत हो जाएगा। अभी कुछ स्टेटमेंट लिखूंगा वो ट्रू है या फॉल्स है वो हम देखेंगे। ओके, और लास्ट में हो रियल नंबर भी याद रखना। रियल नंबर, all the number is called real number. All type of numbers means natural, whole, integer, rational and irrational numbers are together. It is called real number, and real number is denoted by capital R. Okay, now let's see the few statement. The statement is true or false. The first statement, every natural number is a real number. True or false? True or false? Every natural number is a real number. Every natural number is a real number. You can go. Natural is whole, whole is integer, is a rational, and yeah, you can go with the same arrow. So it's a true. Okay. See the direction of arrow. The path of this natural to real, the path is there. See the direction of arrow. Okay, every rational number is a real number. Yes, every rational number is a real number. Third, every rational number is a irrational number. False. There is relation between this rational and irrational. There is no relation. Rational and irrational. Okay. This three chart is keep on your mind. Fourth, every rational number is natural number. Every rational number is here. Every rational number is natural number. Arrow is there? No. So it's a false. So with help of this diagram you can solve such a questions, and this type of questions are important. Maybe one or two questions may be asked in your exams. Okay. So here in this video we seen the type of numbers, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 types of numbers. Okay, and I hope you understand what is the relation between one type of number to another type of numbers. Okay, so here completely understand the number systems. Okay, I hope, dear student, you are enjoying my class. And one more important thing, whatever I teach, please take a notebook and note all the important things. All these things are used in your studies. Okay, for 9th standard only. अब अगर 9th स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चे हो तो अभी आपको कैसे पढ़ाई कैसे करना है, वीडियो के थ्रू एक नोटबुक लेना है और जो भी मैं कुछ लिख रहा हूँ वो तो लिखना ही है, और उसको 2-3 बार दिन में रिवाइज करो, क्योंकि बहुत लंबा वीडियो होगा तो मैं यूट्यूब पे अपलोड नहीं कर पाऊंगा। उसका भी कुछ लिमिटेशन होता है कि सपोज हमका 1.5 GB से कम होना चाहिए। सो आपको अभी डेली एक दो वीडियो में अपलोड करूंगा, उसमें से आपको स्टार्ट करना है। Thank you very much for watching this video.